This is Voda Swim's Envy Push-Up Swimsuit, a swimsuit designed to make you feel sexy and confident. So I'm fastening the swimsuit right now. I'm tying it behind my back. This is after I put it on, but this is not it. It's very important to put the breast tissue onto the built-in shelf that's inside of the bikini top. And when you do that, what you do is you put the breast onto the shelf. There's push-up padding on the bottom and on the sides of the cups, and that lifts the breasts up. It pushes them together, and that creates natural looking cleavage. So when you get your bikini swimsuit in the mail, make sure that once you put it on, you put those breast tissue onto the shelf that's built inside of the bikini top, so that you have this visual effect of 1 to 2 cup sizes bigger.